In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use grips in AutoCAD step by step so you can edit objects faster and work much more efficiently. Grips are one of those simple features that can save you a lot of time once you know how they work, because they let you modify lines, shapes, and other objects without opening extra tools every time. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and easy how-to guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to work on. This can be any file where you want to make changes to objects already in your design. Once your drawing is open, click on an object to select it. It could be a line, a rectangle, a polyline, or another editable item. As soon as the object is selected, you'll notice blue squares appear on it. These blue squares are called grips, and they mark the points where you can directly edit the object. Now click on one of the grips to activate it. When you do that, the grip becomes the active editing point, which means AutoCAD is ready for you to modify the object from that specific location. After that, move your cursor to change the shape or position of the object. As you move the cursor, AutoCAD will show you the result of the edit in real time, so you can see exactly what the change will look like before you finalize it. When you're happy with the new position or shape, click to confirm the change. That locks in the edit and applies it to the object. One of the best parts of using grips is that you can cycle through different edit modes without starting over. Just press the spacebar to switch between options like stretch, move, rotate, scale, and mirror. This makes grip editing very flexible because you can choose the exact type of modification you want right from the same selected object. If you want to stretch part of a shape, cycle until stretch appears. If you want to reposition the object, switch to move. If you need to turn it, use rotate. For resizing, choose scale. And if you need a mirrored copy or mirrored adjustment, use mirror. If you ever change your mind while grip editing, simply press escape to cancel grip editing and exit without applying further changes. That's a very useful shortcut when you want to stop and reset before confirming anything else. And that's the basics of how to use grips in AutoCAD. Once you get comfortable with them, you'll be able to edit drawings much faster and with far fewer clicks. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AutoCAD tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.